Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Power down the computer and close all applications before you begin. Unplug the power cord and disconnect the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and Ethernet cable. Move the system unit onto a flat surface with at least 1 meter clearance around it. Gather tools like a Phillips #2 screwdriver and a small container for screws. Put on an anti-static wrist strap and touch a metal ground point on the case. Take clear photos of cable positions and internal layout for reassembly reference later. Remove the 2 rear thumb screws or Phillips screws and slide the left side panel straight back. Set the panel aside on a soft, static-free surface to avoid scratches. Locate all internal cables and label each with a sticky note before disconnecting them. Gently detach SATA data cables, power connectors, and front panel wires using even pressure. Keep removed screws and small parts in a labeled container to prevent loss. Photograph each connector location if your earlier photos need clarification. Begin by removing expansion cards like the graphics card, unscrewing rear brackets and pulling them straight out. Unscrew any drive cages or hard drive mounting screws and slide drives from their bays. Next, unscrew the power supply using 4 screws and support its weight while you slide it out. If the case has an internal tray, unscrew tray mounts and lift the motherboard with care. With all internal cables detached and components removed, lift the system unit from its location using 2 hands. Place the unit on its side for 5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.